Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use your previous day's data in Geo. First, to check your daily data usage, the easiest way is through the My Geo app, where you can see real-time consumption. Alternatively, you can send an SMS with MBAL to 55333, and you'll receive a message with your current data usage and remaining balance. Another quick method is to dial 1299 for a missed call service that sends your balance details via SMS. Regularly checking helps you stay informed about your data consumption. It's important to understand how Geo's daily data limits work. Most prepaid plans offer a specific amount of high-speed data each day, commonly 1.5 or 2 gigabytes. This daily quota typically resets around midnight, between 0000 and 0200 hours. Crucially, any unused data from the previous day usually expires and does not carry forward. If you exhaust your daily limit, your speed will drop to 64 kilobits per second, making internet use very slow. If you find yourself running low on data before your daily limit resets, don't worry. Geo offers convenient data add-on packs. You can purchase additional high-speed data, for example, 1 gigabyte for just 15 rupees, 2 gigabytes for 25 rupees, or even 6 gigabytes for 61 rupees. These packs can be quickly recharged via the My Geo app or other online platforms, ensuring you stay connected without interruption. The validity of these add-ons usually matches your current active plan. To make the most of your data, smart management is key. Always keep an eye on your usage via the My Geo app to prevent running out unexpectedly. Prioritize connecting to Wi-Fi whenever it's available, especially for activities like streaming videos or downloading large files. Remember to disable background data refresh for apps that don't need constant updates. Enabling your phone's built-in data saver mode can also significantly reduce overall data consumption, helping your daily quota last longer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.